There's no doubt about it, GPT Image 2.0 seriously cooks. However, you're typically only generating one image at a time. But because GPT Image 2.0 now lives inside of Lovart, not only can you generate multiple outputs at once, but you can generate entire creative systems to show off. What's up everybody, welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into Lovart, more specifically GPT Image 2.0 inside of Lovart. Lovart is an AI design agent that helps turn your ideas into finished design assets. And in today's video, we're going to take one simple idea and turn it into a full campaign with editable text, social assets, ad banners, and even a video. To get started, head on over to lovart.ai. Of course, the link is going to be in the description and pinned comment below as always. Once inside, you can pretty much start with any visual idea. Maybe we're talking branding, posters and ads, illustration, character design, videos and storyboards, product design. Okay, I'm over here on the main chat box. I'm going to click on this light bulb right here for thinking, which plans complex tasks and delivers autonomously. I've got GPT Image 2.0 selected. I want to create a premium real estate listing visual for an oceanside property on the edge of a jungle. I want to show a realistic stage interior, clean flyer style layout, readable price, address text with a polished listing feel. Clean, minimalistic. Let's hit submit. Okay, and just like that, Lovart is going to get to work. All right, here we go. Our premium real estate listing is ready. And this is looking super clean. Oceanside estate, coastal luxury realty. Now right away, all the text is super clean and readable. Oceanfront views, jungle edge privacy, modern luxury, resort style living. We've got the price tag. Okay, I'm gonna come right down to the chat box. Looks great. Let's add a few more shots that show the exterior, the property, so the land it sits on next to the ocean, and the other rooms within as well. Let's pop this in. All right, let's have a look. All right, here's the first shot. Got the ocean and the jungle. We've got aerial view, master bedroom. Here's the kitchen. Okay, I generated a few more shots as well. So here's the infinity pool, a better shot of the outdoor terrace, and then here's the theater room. Okay, here's another version of our original listing, but this time it's a shot of the outdoor. Here's our two flyers side by side, looking great. Now I'm going to edit the text. Typically, if you wanted to do this, you just have to regenerate the entire image. But within Lovart, I can edit the text directly. Okay, I'm zoomed in on my second shot. I'm just going to click. There's a bunch of different options. We can upscale, remove background, eraser, edit elements. We've got edit text, which we're going to click. Multi-angles, move object, mock-up, expand, adjust, crop, vector, flip and rotate. There's a ton of options to go through. I'm going to click on edit text right here. And what it does is extract the text. So we've got all the text now in the right-hand side that I can just fill out like I'm filling out a form, which is super impressive. So I'm actually going to change this over to this right here where luxury meets nature. So I'm going to change it over there just so we're a little bit more consistent. Let's do that. Where luxury meets nature. I'm going to keep everything else the same. Let's run this task. So when you do that, Lovart is going to generate another version. Okay, here we go. Here's our updated version where luxury meets nature. And you can see we changed that from luxury, privacy, paradise. And then everything else is the exact same. I'm actually going to delete this one and then move this one over here to my canvas. And then I'm going to drag this over. And now we can see the consistency with the text side by side now. Of course, this is a minor change, but I don't have to prompt the whole thing over again. Okay, now let's build out even more assets. Here's my follow-up idea. Using these visuals as the main style direction, and I'm actually going to specify by going like this and I can see I can tag one of my flyers. So I've got the oceanside flyer. If I hover my mouse over, I can see that. And I'm going to tag the exterior as well. So I've got my oceanside and then my exterior as well. Using these visuals as the main style direction, I want to create a full asset pack around this. Make several supporting assets in the same style, including social posts, ad banners, a key visual, and any useful campaign graphics. I want to keep the branding, colors, text style, and overall design consistent. Okay, let's punch this in. All right, I've got a comprehensive asset pack that maintains all the brand branding to go through. I just went ahead and rearranged my canvas so all my assets are stacked together just like this. First up, here's a Facebook ad banner. Here's a key visual hero banner. How about an Instagram story vertical that can be posted right away? Instagram square post. All right, and then the list goes on. So email header, LinkedIn post. How about a full page style ad, property brochure? If you hold spacebar, you can grab and then left click, you can pull around your canvas just like this. Here's all my different images from earlier right at the top, all side by side, really easy to look at. This is where Lovart starts to feel different. Now, GPT Image 2.0 is going to give you a strong visual, and then Lovart helps build upon that for the rest of the workflow because we're looking at a set of assets that all feel connected. Now I'm going to take one of my strongest images and turn that into a short video. Maybe I want to go with this one right here. First things first, I think I'm going to upscale this image. Let's go with a 2K upscale, start with a more high quality image, much higher quality that took no time at all. Okay, with this image selected right here, I'm going to hit left click, and then that's going to open up, and this is image 3 in the chat box. Let's see what happens with this prompt. Turn this luxury house image at image 3 into a smooth 10-second cinematic ad with elegant drone style motion, low pan and glide through the property, subtle depth, soft light movement, and a polished high-end real estate feel. Let's see what happens when we punch this in. Okay, with my prompt, I've got a cinematic video that's being generated right now, so we'll check back in a moment. Here we go. I actually created a pair of videos. Let's have a look at the first one. Now for the first one, the camera panned a little bit too fast for my liking. So in the chat box, I just tagged the video and said to make this video 15 seconds long, only make the fly through a bit slower. Let's see how that one turned out. We're 15 seconds longer and the camera pans through nice and slow. Now, if I wanted to make any revisions, I could just come back over to the chat box. All right, it is time for some final thoughts. So overall, GPT Image 2.0 living inside of Lovart is like a power couple. You can generate a strong visual, edit the text, build supporting assets, and organize everything on the canvas, and then turn those very images into videos, all inside one place. Lovart makes things way more practical for creating campaigns, ads, product visuals, social content, and even client work. So if you want to check out Lovart today, I'll have the link in the description below. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.